Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to add a plugin of e-commerce site and to creating a e-commerce plugin to preparing of our WordPress website is e-commerce fully supported. How it is. In this lecture, we are going to using free WooCommerce plugin for to creating e-commerce portal to if you want to have a support with this you have to buy for licensed plugins also available in the industry where you can get the support from the who is the provider of this particular plugins. Now that's very simple technique and a super mouse clicks only you will get it the integrating with this type of e-commerce plugins. How it is, let's see here. Once you logged in WordPress, here you will be seeing this demo of dashboard. Now just see here on the left pane the plugins. Just click the plugins. It will be take you that like a view of here. And now here what you want to see is add new. You have to adding new plugin of e-commerce, that is the WooCommerce portal. Now let's see here, featured, popular, recommended, favorites are available here. You just check with the one by one, Buddy Express and Health Check, all the things are available here. And go to popular. The popular plugins like so-called, we can call it as, let's see here, yeah, contact form. By defaultly, it will give you default contactors. Like if you install this plugin, it will be. And yes, Yoast SEO. This is a very much popular for SEO plugins and all. We'll see that about C. And next one, we have to see this. Yes, WooCommerce. This is the WooCommerce is a flexible open source e-commerce solution built on WordPress. Sell anything, anywhere, and make you comfortable. Now let's see here. I'm going to installing this one. Just click install. Just I have used just simply clicking that mouse button. That's it. Now it is going to be installing. See here. Yeah, it is going to be installing. It's very simple. You have to be understand how the plugins are working and how to interacting with the WordPress and along with the tables, the structure of the table, everything it will be created. You need not to worry about it. Actually, the see our database we have created while installation. You just check with this database while hitting of the database table. Once we are going to be choosing a data like a plugin, if it is require any table, it will be created automatically itself. We need not to go here and to do something and like the options, it's not required anymore. All right. Now let's check here. It will comes. Once the installation is completed successfully, you go there and check with your database. You will get all the successful installations of WooCommerce, like an e-commerce solution for WordPress. Let's see here. It is going to be installing like such a. It's a simple, it will have the some modules of sending of emails, products, orders, and displaying the products. Something like e-commerce will have in some advanced features. So it will take some time to install. Yeah, it is going to be installing one by one. See here, it depends upon your internet facility speed as well as your system computer system performance. All right. Yeah, we'll spare a couple of minutes. Till we have seen this installing option here. Once it is completed WooCommerce of this plugin, you will have facilities of all. But you have to comfortable to check with that WooCommerce is a flexible open source e-commerce solution where you are putting in a real-time data and accounts and all. You have to be taken care about your security aspects. For that, consult a security. What are the securities you have to take concerning about where you are hosting your web application successfully. That's all about to create of e-commerce project. And once it is installed successfully, you will have a facility of all the functionalities of WooCommerce successfully to your WordPress. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.